What's going on, guys? I hope you lot are all safe and well. So this video was requested from my Instagram. This was the third message I got a few weeks now, and so here I am now making a video. So this bag I picked up from Nighttown, mainly for a basketball bag, obviously. The Jordan PSG Backpack retails at £100, picked up from Nike online. When I bought this bag, usually Nike are really good. They have a mannequin wearing it and stuff, and this one, it didn't have any of that. I had to literally Google search it. By that time I already bought it and I was just waiting for it to come, but I just was eager to kind of see how it looked like, right? So mainly I bought it because of this bottom piece, yeah, this extra compartment where your kicks are away. And I have to say, like, for £100, man, like, you're just paying for the name, innit? Like, but realistically, I would say it's not worth £100, man. Like, it doesn't do what I need it to do. Like, it's not that big at the bottom, and the top bit, as you're looking now, it doesn't look like it's that big either. But yeah, I just like the concept that, you know, you had a separate compartment compared to where your clothes might be. For some of you who might be from a bit older than me, back in the day, I used to have the Adidas Predator bag, where it was a football backpack, Adidas one. At the bottom you could put your boots, and it would like have an extra zip where you can make it larger. So this kind of reminded me of it. But anyway, look, the compartments here, this one, the main one, yeah, it goes right down to the back. So if you've got a small laptop, that might work. And then you've got the one in front, which is one large, and you've got two, which is split. Apologies, this is the only thing I had around me at the time when I was doing this review. I would have liked to do basketball sneakers, but I wanted to show you guys, for such a small pair of slides here, how much space it took. Do you see what I mean? It doesn't do what I wanted it to do, like, almost. But yeah, but anyway, look, so you got two more compartments here, so for your like keys, your earphones, or some like cables or whatever. So it's cool. And yeah, the back is pretty sturdy, it's breathable mesh. And again, man, £100, man, I don't know what I was thinking to buy it, but I just kind of, I'm a sucker for branding, and I just saw the Paris on the strap, and I think that's what sold it to me. And yeah, the chest buckle, the strap, like for extra support for your shoulders, I've used it a few times. It's all right, it's cool. But I mean, all in all, it's a nice bag. So yeah, if you really want it, watch out for the sale. Sometimes Nike drops the 30% thing in it. But look, this is the end of the video. If you liked the video, you enjoyed it, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, help me make more, and plus it'll help me a lot with the algorithms. Much love, stay safe.